Senator representing Edo Senatorial District, Senator Adams Oshiomhole, don yarn Edo voters say make them vote well for the upcoming election. He talked this one when he recently yarned with people wey welcome him and the APC gubernatorial candidate Senator Okpebholo and Right Honorable Dennis Idausa along Ekewan Road for Ovia. Oshiomhole come also yarn say Senator Okpebholo na from the same area like him, and that one make am sabi wetin the people need.
Ovia youth, oh yeah! The great Ovia youth, great Ovia women, no woman, no nation, no woman, no nation, no youth, no election, no youth. I'm just passing away to attend a function somewhere downtown in the villages, and I can see the hardship. I can see the mess on the bad road. I can see the flood. I can see the pain in the eyes of everybody. So just give me 2 minutes. You know, you have another opportunity now to employ either a good man or a bad man. Because that power now had the day. Because when they reach, they go blow grammar and grammar and grammar. When I dey here, when they do airport road, I do grammar. When I dey here, I do that road to Upper Siloko, to Channel 55. We put street light, we put gutter, we do grammar. Last time I said, make una know the employer of Baseki, make una know vote for her. People say, Oshiomhole want to control. When do I want control? I don't do my own don't finish. But I know people, they do good for my body. And therefore, I know go support person where we don't test them. You carry your pikin go class 1, he fail. You won't go class 2, I say don't support. But people preach, say, Oshiomhole this, Oshiomhole that, they go, they employ the man. Una don't take una koro, I see what did they happen now. In the next 2 months, you have a chance to hire another person. And they are basically two. The one where Maleki won't bring. Says a big programmer. He, where programmer, the grammar do this road? The grammar do this road? Who don't live with you, you will know your problem. That is why this time around, everybody say go bring Papa deceive Pikin, Pikin deceive Papa. What do you not go say? No! Deceive no more. For 8 years you have suffered. I apologize for the first time, but the second time I warn you, this man, Pikin will not do well for primary school. They know they carry and go secondary. But people come begin to emotion, they tell lie and so on. Now they take and go secondary school, he never fail now. So he won't pick somebody now. Wait. Look at that way small. Who get leprosy for hand? If he take the hand, hold you don't go contaminate the leprosy. So if you are happy with this road, vote for PDP again. Because that me, the thing will not do for me 2 times. I won Edo State. So this time we are bringing somebody. Not be saying to talk, now to do. And that is not Okpebholo. So I didn't come here to campaign, but the reason why I stopped, when look the face of people, they say no go, I can see it. Even this motor now, if I drive 4 times, you go mechanic. You must go mechanic. Not to talk of small motor. So by the grace of God, this man will come and repair Edo State. This road, I designed it before I left government. Obaseki don't agree to one. He go down to be part of his work. So Obaseki is the left, he go down is the right, all at the same hand. Children know. Children know. I say, they both have a pocket. I'm chairman of bank, I'm chairman of brewery, I'm chairman of this. If your life is about making money for yourself, it's different for who sabi do public work. My experience at the top from home. So this one, only say it top pass me small. This one, he come from village. The way me I come from village. You go do well for nobody. His name is Okpebholo. When we pass it today, I told you I said Monday. Today is Saturday. He will be sworn in on a Tuesday, November 2nd. By the special grace of God and your vote. This road, he must come and do it. If he not do, if not there is, he must do. Mother must do. Mother must do. Because when I don't say, when I be governor, that place what they call a teacher house, they say na mami water, mami water, mami water. What did happen? When I came, I drove away mami water. This governor, Okpebholo, he come from a small village like me. Because villagers, their own pain is different from city people. Who don't live for village, don't go know what life be. So not be Lagos consult away, we end up with bubble presser suit. Children understand. So my sisters, maybe I just wait small. Can PDP die? Can Edo people? You know say before I came, you know say that PDP be there Edo before. Did they do anything before I came? When I came, I walked. Then we said the man, you know they do well, maybe na saka, now you don't go PDP. PDP get an umbrella. Now the umbrella don't tear. They don't fall. Even those who carry umbrella, they are jumping out. So please, bear the pain only for this season. By November, you have a new governor. September 21, you will elect a new person. He will fix this road. And I will come here and do it down. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
The APC gubernatorial candidate Senator Okpebholo for his own part come talk say Edo State na him home and he go do everything possible to make the state better for the comfort of the people once they elect him.
This is our place. This is our land. We have no other place to run to than this place. If this place is good, business go there here. Not be so. Una go enjoy business. Not be so. As this road be, somebody will come to business here. Even you where they live for here, for you to go out and come in. If you go out, come in like 3 times, you go to sick. Not be so. Una get light. Una get light. That is why I am coming to change it. I am coming to change it because the same pain that is coming around in your mind, that is what is going on in my mind. In my village where I came from, we don't have light, we don't have road. I use my money, personal money to tire our road. Now I want to enter a government house. I don't see this one by myself. Me and my God don't come here. 100 days in office, we will tire this road for you people. Una go get light. Una get school for here. Una not get school. School not get light, don't go. Una get water. No worry. God has sent somebody to come and redeem our land. Thank you very much, and God bless all of you.
Thank you very much. By the special grace of God, he will be the next governor. I go follow him when he will come do groundbreaking. When he do the road, I will come and drink by one for this place. Thank you very much.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.